morning vlog. It's been so long since I vlogged. I look a little bit like a hot mess. It is 10:08 a.m. and I'm going to go get an oil change today because I'm being an adult. Actually, I don't even want to say like I'm being an adult because I've been doing this for like, I don't know, 4 or 5 years and I still don't feel like an adult, so I don't know. But I need to figure out if I need synthetic oil or the other kind. My dad has texted me because I'm stupid. Just kidding. I just don't know. Oh, there's a squirrel. It's so cute. There's so many squirrels by our apartment, but what was I saying? I don't know anything about cars. That's what I was saying. Going. Like, yeah, my car broke down like a month ago and that was the situation. So I'm gonna go get an oil change to keep up maintenance. I got my drink. It's like some white peach hibiscus tea from Trader Joe's that I brewed, and I added like a splash of peach pineapple kombucha. I don't know. I'm over buying expensive drinks. That is something that I learned 22 to 23, I don't know, transitioning in my 20s, because I was like, why the fuck am I spending so much money on shit like drinks when I can make them at home for so much cheaper? Like, the price of one drink is what it costs to like buy the stuff to make an actual drink. Anyways, so I'm gonna get an oil change. I'm gonna do probably some house cleaning this weekend because my house is a disaster because I've been busy. And it is like 4th of July weekend, but for me it's just like another weekend. I don't really ever do anything to celebrate. And the way our nation is going right now, like there's nothing really to celebrate, like, you know, America who. But don't drag me for that. I'm just like being realistic, like shit's hit the fan. Anyways, but I'm still gonna try to do something fun because it's supposed to be warm. And my boyfriend also has like a long weekend, so maybe go to the lake, maybe go hiking. We'll see. Stay tuned because you'll find out when I find out. It's a lot later. It's like 9 p.m. now. Last time I saw you was like 11. We were picking up Shane's car from the Schwab, and then we went home, and then we took my car home, and we took his car to the oil change. And then we went grocery shopping, and then we just went swimming, and it's been like a chill day after that because I was just, well, we were exhausted. But we are going out for drinks on a Friday night. Like, we haven't been able to do this all, like, since like February, probably because of Miss Rona. But we're just going to this like little outdoor bar that has like taps that you can serve yourself. We've never been there, so we're excited. But I'm wearing just like the shirt says C'est la vie Paris, and then black mom jeans, yeah, and then ooh, me losing my balance, some old school blue Vans that I got for myself for my birthday. I don't know what's up with like all my hand signals, but I think I'm just excited to go out. I'll see you guys there.
Yeah. Okay, I love some of this.
Good morning, vlog. Hello, good morning. Sorry if I'm like whispering. My boyfriend's sleeping and I don't want to make him up yet. It's the next day, obviously. Today we are going to go waterfall chasing nearby-ish. I think it's a couple hours drive. Wow, I still can't talk. I just drink a little bit more water. My throat is kind of parched.
Birdie, 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 birdie.
Birdie, 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 birdie. So close. As you can see, yeah, we made it to the waterfall after 2 hours of driving. Shout out to Shane for driving. And then we had to park on the side of the road because there was no parking in the park, and like walk in like from the highway into the park, but it's worth it. It's so pretty! Wow, gorgeous. Yeah, I think it has to. It looks like at the bottom there's a waterfall.
Now you get sucked down.
No, babe.
Come on, babe, let's go a little bit.
Okay, okay, okay. We made it to a little cute spot on the creek.
I'm in shock. It's cold.
My feet are so cold. And we think that the waterfall goes that way. Oh, my feet are so cold. But now we're actually gonna have some lunch and just enjoy the sun. Sandwich king, sandwich king. Waterfall 1, success. On to the next one. We got ice cream
Welcome
cones.
to Bernie.
These are like the best vanilla cones I've ever had.
No, Foster Freeze.
No, but these are not as dense as Foster Freeze.
No, quit videoing me.